Hey everyone, welcome to our grammar class. In this class, we are going to see about the articles, okay? And we people very well on articles, right? And what are articles? A and the. These are called the articles, okay? And today we are going to learn when we are going to use the articles, okay? And A and the. These are the three articles, right? And first we just see the usage of yeah, okay? First we see the usage of okay? Before that I just want to say one thing, that is we going to use these articles before a noun, okay? We going to use these articles before a noun, okay? Let's see the usage of yeah. Okay, yeah is used before the singular word or expression, okay? Okay, yeah is used before singular word or expression. Then one more thing, that is starts with okay, ma'am. These are the usage of yeah. Okay, our article is used before a singular word or expressions that starts with consonant sound. Okay, that starts with consonant sound. Then introducing a noun. When we introducing a noun, we use the article yeah. Okay, that too the noun starts with the consonant sound. Consonant in the sense except vowel or non-vowel sounds. Okay, எங்கெல்லாம் நம்ம article a யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் அப்படி பாத்தீங்கன்னா before a singular word, ஒரு singular wordக்கு முன்னாடி then starts with consonant sound. அந்த singular word எதுல ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகணும்? consonantல ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகணும், which mean except vowels. Vowels a, e, i, o, u, these are the vowels that we know, right? அந்த vowel soundக்கு முன்னாடி, ஓகேவா? அந்த vowel sound தான் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கணும். அதை தவிர்த்து ரிமைனிங் உள்ள கான்சனன்ட் சவுண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, ஏ இ ஐ ஓ தவிர்த்துட்டு ரிமைனிங் ஆல்பபெட்ஸ்ல இருக்கிறத எல்லா லெட்டர்ஸோட சவுண்டுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? ஆ யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம், ஓகேவா? அது எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? introducing a noun. When we introducing a noun for the first time, we use a. Okay, for example, just look here. Example, a little girl, okay, a man, a tree, etc. Okay, these are the usage of a. Okay, and now we are going to see about an. Second article an. Okay, an is used before the singular word. An is also used before the singular word or expression that starts with vowel sound. Okay, it starts with vowel sound. Here, what are the vowel sounds? Do you have any idea about vowel sound? It's very easy. Okay, vowel sound. Just look here. Vowel sounds are a, e, u, a, o. Okay, these five sounds are the vowel sounds. Okay, and one more thing you have to keep in your mind while using the articles a and an. Okay, a and an used depending upon the pronunciation of the word. Okay, depending upon the pronunciation of the word, not the spelling. A and an நம்ம pronunciation depend பண்ணி தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் ஓகேவா ஸ்பெல்லிங் வச்சு யூஸ் பண்ண மாட்டோம் ஓகேவா and this is also used before a singular noun okay before a singular noun that starts with vowel sound okay that starts with vowel sound and introducing for the first time okay introducing a word or a noun right and just have an example and heart okay just look here one thing H here the R starts with H okay H is a consonant okay but the word or starts with a O sound okay our okay O sound here we are the sound of O okay so this is called usage of an okay then one more example and egg here E okay and egg okay yes sound E starts with A sound okay are you clear with the usage of A and an and one more example for yeah okay just look here yeah 1 rupee coin okay here yeah 1 rupee coin O is a vowel even though O is a vowel but the word one starts with the consonant sound W okay one not one one okay so va sound la start ஆகுது which means W ஓட sound la start ஆகுது அது consonant consonant sound க்கு நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணனும் ya யூஸ் பண்ணனும் ஓகேவா are you clear with the usage of a and an okay now going to the third article that is the okay that is used for repeated noun okay which means the noun has been already introduced ஒரு noun முன்னாடியே இன்ட்ரோ듀ஸ் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் again வருது அப்படினா அதுக்கு நாம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணோம் that யூஸ் பண்ணனும் ஓகேவா and one more thing plurals before plural words okay and for groups to define our groups right and for plural family and the last one before universal truth okay ingala nam enna use பண்ணுவோம் da use பண்ணுவோம் repeated noun for example just take this yak tree okay yak tree again I am going to mention that tree so example பார்ப்போங்க the tree okay because already நம்ம yak tree கொடுத்தோம் so இங்க நம்ம the tree use பண்ணுவோம் then plural words again take the trees okay trees and groups for groups the students okay just take you as an example the students groups okay the students the staff the crew okay so many examples are there for plural family families the Hindus the Muslims the Christians the Aryas these are the families name okay and just write down only one example the Hindus the Muslims the Christians everything are the plural families only then for universal truth I have already told you universal truth are the sun the moon the earth these are all called the universal truths okay the sun not your sun okay okay are you clear with the usage of articles I hope it will be easier for you and once again I repeat all the things yeah is used before singular word okay a எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் singular wordல யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் first time ஒரு noun introduce பண்ணும்போது ஓகேவா அது consonant soundல ஸ்டார்ட் ஆனா then an எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் vowel sound க்கு முன்னாடி first time ஒரு noun introduce பண்ணும்போது okay vowel sound not vowel letters okay and then எங்களை யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் repeated noun plural words groups plural family and universal group. These are all the usage of articles okay and thank you so much now. In the next video we will discuss about the examples for articles okay thank you.